Hey everyone! If you are struggling with chemical formulas, math equations, or footnotes in PowerPoint, learn to add subscript or superscript text in just a few clicks. Select the text you want to format. Now go to the Home tab, and in the Font group, launch the Font Options dialog. On the Font tab, under Effects, select Subscript or Superscript. Click OK. Your text is now perfectly formatted, ideal for formulas and footnotes.